2013 is going to be the year that Kukana and Lonaki learn to play Yellowbird while they're in Hawaii right now.
It's a traditional Hawaiian song that they should know.
Yeah. 3 very easy chords, C, G7, and F. So if anybody's been following any of our tutorials or have come to any of Kukana's ukulele club meetings, you should be able to play right along with us. So we're going to be playing this in the key of C.